We're out here fishing today, Alligator Point. Just casted the rods in, didn't even get the video going yet, and we got a fish. Had a few bites already. What is it? What? And we caught a baby red. Yeah, that's a keeper.
No,
I'm joking. Nice little baby red. That's nice.
You saw it
Where'd you pliers?
in my pocket. Oh, there's my school jacket.
All right, we got the hook out. Throwing back the fish. Worst release in the history of fishing. He's young, he's still learning. And you've seen it swim away.
He's got. Alright, yeah, ready. Can I wipe my hands on this?
All right, this is Buzz fishing here. We're out here. Sorry about that. We're out here, Alligator Point. Looking nice and calm. We already caught one little redfish. We had 3 poles out, one got hung. Got another out. So today we're gonna try something different. Today we're gonna use bacon. I had one of my buddies tell me that they were tearing them up on bacon. Flounder, redfish, everything was biting them. So I had second thoughts about it. Wasn't too sure, but we're gonna try it. Just throw on a piece like this. Using a 5/0 circle hook. Hook it a few times. Hey, you come hold the camera? No roll weight, bead underneath, 45-pound leader. And we're gonna cast it out. Got the all natural pole holders. And also, since we're fishing with so many poles, I made this myself. Cats and Carp gave me the idea. Thank you, Cats and Carp. Luke. All right. And now, we're just gonna wait. We're just walking around the beach and just found a lure. Hooks are a little bit rusted. I don't know if y'all can see that. Nice little rattler. Pretty good shape. New Trebs. It'd be brand new. Found this random line and there's something at the bottom of it. So we decided to dig. So sorry, I got a phone call. This is what was in the dirt. Looks like a 3-ounce weight. What's on it? 2?
2-ounce.
2-ounce weight. It's like 50-pound test with a loop on top of it. No, don't do that. Add that to my tackle box.
No, I'm
Adding it to the collection. Bryson's been killing it today. Catching mangrove, catching redfish, catching sailcats. Killing it.
and stingray.
Me? All I caught was a stingray. No luck today. But this man, right here,
Need more bait.
with the puzzled look on his face looking like, how did I catch that fish?
Yeah, there's
Yeah.
12 lot. Watch, I catch them.
Yeah. Well, this is what we're doing. We're gonna try to catch the next fish on video.